Hello all, welcome to our channel Way to Know. So we always talk about the best practices to design a PCB, how to place the components, how to route them properly, how to have those planes, all these, right? Now, after you started a PCB, sometimes you feel, no, I have to reset this and I have to start routing from the beginning and I don't want the placement to get disturbed. In such cases, there are options. For example, you see a selection filter on the right, click on tracks and vias. That's what you place on the board, right? And right now we have the bottom copper selected. This is a 2-layer board. Control A and you delete them. Gone. All the traces and vias gone. And then you select the top layer. Control A, delete. So what you have here is just placement, PCB placement. That's it. Okay. And you do not have any routing between them. It's just the rat's nest that is there. Now you don't want the copper planes as well. For example, for that you have to select Jones. Okay, Jones, click on it and delete. So now you have a PCB where the placement is completed but nothing is routed. So we can say a routing ready PCB. So in case if you have routed to some extent and if you want to have a PCB to a stage where you need the placement and you start from the beginning, routing from the beginning, this is the way to do.